All right, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. I decided to do another free recap for you guys since Friday I was not here. I didn't do a free Friday recap nor a free Friday stream. And with yesterday's trade, guys, in GME and JMIA, but it's all about the trade in GME that I wanted to share. Before I get started with the recap, guys, do not forget to hit the like button on this channel, subscribe to this channel as well. Guys, if you are interested in joining the private Discord room with access to the live screen share, access to the live scanner, guys, the live commentary, and our live alerts, as well as the educational part of our trading, then join us by using the link that is posted in the description. For just 39 bucks and 99 cents a month, you can have access to that. And again, use the link precisiondaytrading.com. Now, I will pull out a couple of discount links that I will make available this week. So if you are interested in joining the private Discord room with a discount, then send me a message. Hop in the free public Discord room, say hi, star, and I will reach out to you. Also, that link to the free public Discord room will be posted in the description. And again, just one more thing here. Um, I released my 3 hour long video guide, guys. If you are really interested in knowing what my setups are, knowing what triggers me to enter the trade, guys, if you really know what those ingredients are before I start baking the cake, then again, I have the 3 hour long video guide where I explain my long and short setups in detail, guys. I have them categorized for you according to specific scenarios. There is a specific setup that I look for. And again, if you are interested in that, send me a message as well. Hop in the Discord, the free pit Discord room. Say hi, star, and I will reach out to you. All right, with that said, guys, let's get started here with GME. Again, insane trade here. I think, well, before I get into that, let's start where it all started. The mother of all squeezes, as they say. Again, if you look
Object
here
to the
at the daily
test!
chart, guys, it's been pretty dead for the past year, and above 20 started to get some volume with that pop. And a couple of days earlier on this day here, Citron Research came out and they said they were giving it a $20 price target, and basically they were short. But again, it started to do a squeeze, and again on this day here, guys, we have this gap up, and everyone thought this was insane, and it could not get more insane if we look at it like this. And for me, again, the first setup that I was looking for, as I mentioned in the in the public Discord room and the private Discord room, I wanted to see an actual pop here towards that 115, 120 level. We did not get it at the open. We decided to fade at the open, and I was looking for a crack of this pre-market support. So we had that VWAP reject, and as you can see with the execution chart here, I went short after seeing a lower high, a small VWAP tap almost, and a reject, and I went short for at least looking for the crack of that pre-market support. Now we have this white line here as well, and by the way, this purple line, that's the VWAP for those who don't know what it is, and this white line is the previous day close. So the move would have called a green to red move if it faded all the way down here and went below, then the stock would have turned red. So again, that could be also another factor. So I was looking for that as well, since the stock, it had range, and obviously, it's not doing 10, 20 cents, but this thing is moving in dollars. So again, we had a little crack here, new lower days, but then the stock decided to hold, and it went a little bit sideways, and then it had a pop with volume stopping me out. And I saw this wick here, and I thought, damn, I got faked out here. So again, it slammed down, and it cracked again low days briefly, and I got in short. I was thinking, okay, this might be it. Again, another VWAP tap here and a reject lower high, and the stock decided to marinate a little bit on that 90 level, and I mentioned this throughout the day that 90 level was so crucial. So again, tapping here over that VWAP, stopping me out on that. And again, I was waiting. And as I mentioned, guys, you cannot get stubborn with these type of stocks. You're gonna get hurt, you're gonna get blown out. And again, you know save your bullets to take another shot once the opportunity presents itself. So I was looking at it. We started to push here towards 115s, 120s, started to get interested again. But again, no setup here, no lower highs, no trend change. This stock is still strong. And now we are starting to move up, and we are going fast and faster, almost hitting that 160. Then the unimaginable thing happened. We had that big slam down, a halt down as well, and then a little pop, basically creating a lower high here under the 140s, getting me on the short side, looking for that VWAP crack. And again, since the stock had range, I was anticipating this. This could drop a lot further than that VWAP only. And again, we had on this drop here nearly 26 bucks a share in profits. And again, immediately making sure to cover some on that. And it had again another tap on that VWAP. And as you can see, by the way, guys, look at the left here. It pressed on the brakes again near the same resistance level, support level, uh, from the pre-market, and as well at the open, where I got, or at least faked out here, looking for new low days. But sorry about that. But again, after covering a few of my shares here, I still had a remainder, and you can see basically the stock is testing again that VWAP near that 100 lower high, and finally giving that crack of lower days and giving a nice washout for $53 a share. That was just insane. This does not happen too often, guys. And again, after this is the green to red move, by the way. Once the stock broke
It's the
this
Catalina
white
fucking
line here,
wine
it
mixer.
turned
Okay.
red briefly. I covered some on that as well, a couple of extra shares here, and it popped back over. And basically, I was done with the trade here. I got my fair share, got my losses back that I had, and basically tripled it on the win. And again, you can see here the stock is basically still holding this green to red level. And again, we'll see what it does today. But I think I'm done with GME, and now we'll go over JMIA, the other one, from the pre-market game plan, guys. JMIA, again, if you look at the daily chart, this thing has been uptrending for the past year as well, and it finally broke out on Friday. It had a nice pop here. Intraday, you can see that nice breakout as well. It held that VWAP after a pullback. And as I mentioned, for this stock, I am looking to take advantage of profit selling. So people who are long this stock and they see this breakout with the small gap, and ideally we want to see that extension out of the gate. I want to take, if they see that, most likely they will sell their shares to take profits, and I want to take advantage of that. And as it happened here, I wasn't fully watching it as I was busy with GME, but we had that pop, a drop, again green to red move here. I was still not involved until I saw this action here. It had that pop over the VWAP, lower high again, another lower high after testing that VWAP, rejecting it, and finally getting that crack. And I went short here, and again, we had this insane washout as well. Again, this is a very big trade, $6 a share, but compared to GME, it's of course nothing. Well, not nothing, but it's a tiny one. And after having this washout, as you can see here on the execution chart, guys, immediately taking covers into whole and half dollar marks. And I fat fingered an extra short here, and I was lucky to get a washout here, and I covered that as well. And again, I was done with the trade. As I mentioned, I'm looking to take advantage of profit selling, and also the SPY was selling off a bit at this moment, so that might have helped. But again, the trade was done, and as you can see, the stock bounced back up towards that VWAP, higher lows, finally breaking over that VWAP, and then it resumed trend. And we'll see what it does for the next couple of days. Maybe we get another opportunity to take advantage on the short side for profit selling. So again, guys, that's the recap. Those are the stocks that I traded yesterday: JMIA and GME. Insane day, guys. Insane day. But as I mentioned, if you have a process, reset, refocus, guys. Today we get to do it all over again. And it's very important and very crucial not to let your ego step in, guys, and deviate from the plan, because that way you will give back your profits guaranteed. So again, guys, if you are interested in having access to my video guide, send me a message. For people outside the Discord room, it will be 399 bucks. People inside the private Discord room, they have a discount. It will be 299 bucks. Just send me a message and I'll get you the access details. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and see you guys in a bit in the room.